Hello guys, welcome to our channel. Today we are going to show you how to replace the door for the Bosch dryer and also the door latch of the dryer. So as you can see, there is a broken bit of the door latch, and also the door latch is also broken. We can show you when we can remove the old one. As you can see, the newer bit. So it is very easy to replace the door latch of the dryer. So you just need to take the plastic cover out of the door latch, and then you just push it up and then pull it towards you so that it will come easily. As you can see, there is no black part which will lock the door, so that's why we are replacing the door latch. So in the Bosch dryer, for the bit we have to replace the full door, so that's a little bit same for the Bosch. So as you can see, I just put it back, and then now I have to lock the clips and then put those screws back, then it will be okay. And for the door, you just need to take 2 screws out from the hinges and then pull it upwards, push it upwards, and then you can have the door out from the dryer. So to put it back, it's very easy. Just need to get into the lineup and then just push it downwards, and then it will be locked, and then you can just put those 2 screws back which you have taken out to get the door out. So I don't have a good view over there, but it's so easy. You just need to take 2 screws out. So that's all for the Bosch dryer. This kind of problem happens when you slam the door so loud and quick, and also if there is some clothes stuck on your door, then this kind of problem can be expensive for you. But anyway, we got it covered. So as you can see, the dryer is running fine. Thank you for watching our video. Please subscribe our channel.